Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I officially wanted to come on here and say good morning. You guys have seen a little bit of how my morning has started so far. Essentially, I thought I would vlog today because Phil and I are traveling to Whangarei, essentially. My Bible study group is going away, so I thought I'd bring you guys along. I also haven't been further north than Auckland ever in my whole 24 years, so yeah, we're only going for like the weekend, so I don't really know how interesting it's actually going to be when we get to Whangarei. I have no idea what the plans are. The weather's also not meant to be great, so we'll just see how we go, essentially. So the rest of my Bible study group is traveling up at the moment, but I have work today, so I'm working till 4. I'm only doing like a short shift. Saturday I only do 4 hours, so I really like my Saturdays. So Phil and I are just going to travel up after I finish work today at 4. Yeah, it's been a really good morning so far. I woke up at 8:30. I tried to get up at 8 and I was so tired because I've been opening at work the last few days and picking up a lot of extra shifts at the moment because my manager's away in Europe. So I also uploaded my wedding budgeting tips and tricks video, so that was really good. Yeah, there's not really anything else pretty much that I've done this morning that I haven't filmed except for we've packed. So I can show you guys all of our stuff. I think it's like 11:05 at the moment. I do need to leave at 15:15 because I do live quite far away from work and Auckland traffic can be a bit funny sometimes on Saturdays. It's either really quiet on the roads or really busy, so I thought I would show you guys my outfit today because I do quite like it. And usually with Saturdays I try and spice it up and have a little bit of something fun because I do only work for 4 hours. Oh, this is the first outfit of the day in this mirror. I'm so excited. So I'm just wearing this little kind of like pink gingham throw over blazer type thing with these really nice tortoiseshell buttons. It also comes with some little matching shorts, but we're like smack bang in the middle of winter at the moment, so it is too cold for shorts. So yeah, I thought just because this outfit is more like casual generally, I thought I would chuck something fun over the top. And then I'm just wearing this little gold coin necklace which is from Boohoo, and then I have got this little blousey top here which I believe is actually just from Kmart. I think I bought it on clearance like a couple of years ago. And then I've got this like brown belt which I found in the op shop, and then I'm wearing these really nice Levi's jeans. I've just rolled the bottoms because it looks a little bit better and they're like a slight flare out style, and they're high-waisted which is really nice. So I believe these ones here are the 501s. I've also got this little pearl bracelet which I wore for my wedding. This is from Ayla & Oak. I don't really have too many bracelets with gold on them, but this is one of the only ones. And then I'm just wearing these really cool bright pink heels which are new and I'm obsessed with them. But yeah, it's just like a really nice deep pink, and then they've got a little bit of the pink croc on the heel. So I generally like to wear a heel on Saturday again, so I'm only doing 4 hours. But yeah, that is the fit today. I'm super duper excited for it. And then yeah, I'll show you guys all of the stuff. So I've been busy packing up all of the stuff this morning. I'm also going to throw over this purple coat from Zara over this outfit as well, just to give me a little bit of warmth because this is 75% wool. But yeah, I think I'm just going to chill for like the 10 minutes or the 5 minutes before I have to go to work. I just thought I'd show you guys the coat in case anyone's interested. So this is what it looks like. So it's quite a nice long coat. It was on sale when I bought it, so I don't know if they've still got it, but it's just really comfy. And I got an extra small, but yeah, I'm literally like so obsessed. So we're just leaving the mall now. Work was very odd. It was like very patchy with being busy and being quiet, but I still managed to sell like almost $800 worth of stuff, so that was pretty cool. Phil and I got a Starbucks on the way out. You guys know, if you've watched my favorites video recently, that I'm obsessed with these. These are the strawberry acai refreshers, and I just got a grande size, so I'm gonna crack that and have a drink. You just got a long black, eh?
Yeah.
Phil just got a long black. Essentially now we're just gonna hit the road and drive, basically, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's go! Scott's trying on my shoes. Give us a pose, Scott. Let's go.
Walk back. Okay. Cross your feet over. Yeah, nice. Beautiful. Okay.
Love it.
Pivot. Strike a pose.
Should be soon. When I was 13, I had my first love. There was nobody that compared to my baby. I don't need no Starbucks. She made my heart pound. I skip a beat when I see her in the street and at school on the playground.
I reckon if he turned his light off, I wouldn't be able to see him at all.
Yeah.
Nah.
Oh,
It's Roy.
covered with the clouds too. And oh, I can't see the stars either.
So it's something.
Oh, it is a little bit wet. No. Oh. You can't see it if it's real high. We're down at the ocean.
Oh, they're everywhere. Oh, it's pretty good, eh? Enjoying it?
Wait, what do you say? Shrimp? Oh, right. Over here. I like putting my finger down. I want to do the first couple of days. I can integrate it, like, see where it can pop up.
Oh, whoa.
It's pretty big.
Not as big as the last one, though.
Wow.
You want to pick it up?
That thing was huge!
Why is it not even moving?
Are they big?
They're not as big as before, but...
Oh, it's fighting.
Can you see
Oh.
it?
You got to.
Oh yeah, you got this.
His back's so small. Like,
Ah!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Where'd he go?
Where did they go?
Yeah. Someone likes.
Wait, like. Yeah, he's hiding in the rock. Yeah.
Oh, there.
Oh, right.
No, that's not the crab. That's a shrew.
No, don't touch him. He's going to run this way.
Wow.
Speedy boy.
Wait, I want to watch it. Wow.
Get him. Poor thing. He's
Oh. He's going into like defense mode.
Pick him up from his back.
Yeah.
His back is.
Alright, should we just take him a look?
Wow.
And now he's blinded for life. Put him back
in the water.
Put him with his little friend.
What's that?
Over there. You see this?
Good morning, friends. So it is day 2. It is Sunday and we've all had breakfast. We had French toast, bacon and eggs, and now we're gonna go for a walk. So I thought I'd show you guys my outfit. So my hair and this little thing to get it out of the way, and then I have this Adidas jacket, just fills, this Lorna Jane top which I found in the op shop, and then these Converse leggings which I also found in the op shop, and then I'm gonna wear my pink Nikes that I also found in the op shop. Ripping the op shop finds today. But yeah, I'm excited. It looks like it's gonna rain, so fingers crossed it holds off. So
Is there a competition going?
I give you the umbrella?
Yeah.
Good work, team.
Yeah.
Hey,
Look at us.
We did it.
Oh, yeah. There's a bird over here. I don't think I got it though. My hair. Look at my hair. That's terrible.
My hair looks nice.
Yeah, your hair actually does. Oh, careful.
Yep.
Car turn around. Yeah.
I am sensei.
Oh!
Hey! Hello friends, so we're back at the place that we're staying now. It pretty much rained the whole way. It was a good experience and it was actually quite nice doing it in the rain because we didn't get too hot. Coming down was definitely a lot easier than going up, and I think it probably took us about an hour and a half, probably like an hour like up and then half an hour down. Everyone's just chilling in the other room. I'm hoping that we can go back to the waterfall. Everyone did it yesterday while I was working, but it looks really cool, so I'm hoping we can do that, and I'm hoping that we can explore Whangarei a little bit, because we're staying like half an hour out of like the Whangarei kind of like town central thing. I changed my outfit, so I'll show you guys that in a second. Yeah, I feel like you guys are probably wanting a tour, but like this place isn't great if I'm honest. This is pretty much where we stayed. Phil and I slept on this bed. It's been a really good time, just kind of chilling with everybody. We ended up getting to bed last night at like 12:30 I think. We're all kind of just chilling in like the main room until about midnight, and then Kara slept on this couch here, so we were kind of just chatting for a little bit with her before we went to sleep. I'll try to show you guys my outfit. I've got this little kind of diamondy looking necklace, which was a gift from Chrissy for my hens weekend, and then I'm also wearing my Pandora bracelet that Phil got me for Christmas. I'm just wearing this khaki green jumper that I found in the op shop, and then I've also got, I don't know if you can see, but like a green one-shouldered long sleeve on underneath, which I also found in the op shop. I'm also wearing these really floaty white pants. I can't figure out how to show you because the lighting's not great in here, but those are also from the op shop, and then I'm gonna put them with my new Nikes that I bought. I treated myself to a pair of Nikes because I don't actually have a nice pair. These ones are out of focus to start with. I really need to get a new camera, but they are just Nike Air Force ones, and they're just really cute. I like the pastel colored ones. They're like just enough chunk on the bottom without being too much, and yeah, I just love the pastel colors. It's very me. So I'm gonna pair them with this outfit for a little bit of something, but yeah.
Kara and Rachel flying the kite from the track along those rocks and then down behind the waterfall.
So it's not like an act. Yo. Whoa, that's pretty scary.
It's pretty cool. Yeah.
moving?
Yeah, it is slowly.
Hello friends, so it is obviously a lot later now since the last few clips that I've filmed.
3 AM in the morning.
It's not 3 AM in the morning, it is actually only 11 o'clock. We've obviously made it back to Auckland. We've made it back home. We did stop for dinner in Warkworth, which was really nice. I would actually recommend the place, eh? Like the food was really good.
It'd be nice on a busy night.
Yeah, the food was really good, the drinks were really good. We were watching the netball on the TV. We watched like technically like a full game because we watched 2 quarters of Jamaica versus New Zealand. New Zealand lost. A little bit sad, eh? Jamaica thrashed us.
Oh yeah, Jamaica was really good at it.
Yeah, and then we were watching.
So at least if they're gonna thrash us, it's actually like put us in our place properly.
Yeah, and then we watched 2 quarters of Australia versus England, which was actually pretty neck and neck, eh?
Yeah, neck and neck. I think Aussie had an
was
advantage
winning
on that.
But yeah, we've come home, I've had a shower and cleaned myself up after the walk earlier because obviously I hadn't had time to have one. And I didn't want to have one at the place that we were staying because the water was cold. I'm not about to have a cold shower in the middle of winter. And then Phil and I obviously tucked up in bed now. We're going to watch an episode of Shameless before we go to bed because the new season has come out and we're probably almost halfway. We almost finished it, aren't we?
Nearly, yeah.
Yeah, I thought I'd bring the pink lighting back. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, I do actually want to get new lamps for this bedroom, so
no longer pink lighting.
No, I don't know if the next vlog will have pink lighting, probably not, but thought I'd bring it back for old time's sake. I really hope you guys have enjoyed coming along with Phil and I this weekend to Whangarei. We had such a good time, eh?
Yep.
But if you guys have enjoyed this vlog, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Please make sure to turn on the notifications and check out my social media. It's always linked down below. Do you want me to link yours? Yeah, cool. I'll leave Phil's socials down below as well, so you can go and check him out. I shall catch you guys in my next video. Bye.